Joby Aviation successfully flew two of its electric air taxis simultaneously for the first time, marking a significant milestone in their flight testing program. This achievement occurred in Marina on May 9th, following Joby's recent announcement about completing flights with a full transition from vertical to cruise flight and back again, with an actual pilot on board. By successfully flying two electric air taxis simultaneously, the company progresses another step further in their certification process. CEO Joby highlighted that all flights were conducted within the U.S., demonstrating American innovation. Joby partners with Delta Airlines and Uber for U.S. service launch, aiming for Los Angeles and New York City as launch markets. They also have partnerships with Virgin Atlantic for UK service and ANA Holdings for Japan. The company plans to start operations in Dubai by early 2026, following FAA certification and extensive testing, which includes more than 40,000 miles of test flights across multiple aircraft. Joby reported record progress in their certification process, advancing 12% on the FAA side and reaching 62% completion on their own end. They aim to begin TIA flights with the FAA within a year and expand manufacturing capabilities by doubling their footprint with a new facility in Marina, California that's reportedly ahead of schedule. The Ohio facility is also progressing well, with retrofits and equipment installations underway. Parts are expected to start coming out of this facility in the coming months. Yet Joby reported a net loss of $82 million for Q1 2025 due to higher operating expenses. Challenges in scaling manufacturing and achieving mass production require significant investment and time. The certification process also presents uncertainties and risks that could impact timelines and operations. Additionally, navigating complex regulatory environments in multiple countries is necessary for international expansion. And overall, the company operates in a nascent industry with evolving market dynamics, which could pose challenges in demand forecasting and strategic planning. The CEO states that all their aircraft, including 5 from the pre-production line, are full-scale and have similar operating specifications. The flight test goals for this year include failure injection testing and pilot on-board transition flights. They plan to send an aircraft to Dubai for hot weather testing and qualification for service launch, as well as set up a full-motion flight simulator for pilot training. To transition from flying with a pilot on board to flying with passengers in the UAE, they need to complete component and system-level testing of FAA-conforming test articles. The executive chairman explains that they have 3 paths to market: direct sales, partnerships, and direct consumer operations. They aim to preserve flexibility to allocate aircraft between these options, adapting to market conditions and prioritizing accordingly. Management-wise, there's been the appointment of Rodrigo Brumana as Chief Financial Officer, with his experience including scaling complex global finance operations at companies such as HP, Amazon, eBay, and Poshmark. Joby also benefits from a balance sheet with $813 million in cash equivalents, and short-term investments, not including Toyota's additional commitment. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.